Most people prepare for crow pose and immediately start to freak out about the ground. Oh my God, the ground. Oh my God, the ground is here. The floor is so close. What if I break my face? What if I fall on my nose? And the truth is, if you're looking down, you're going to go down. Most people struggle because they're looking down, or worse, they're looking back at their feet. And then they go, I don't understand why I keep falling on my head or why I can't balance. The key is to keep your gaze forward. Where do you want to fly? Just like the rest of your life. Don't worry about what anybody else is doing. Keep your eyes on your vision. The gaze goes forward, and then the balance is possible. Yeah? And look forward with your eyeballs, not with your neck. You don't need to crank your neck up. Keep your neck long, eyeballs forward, and flight will occur.
Want to learn to fly like a yoga ninja in record time? Click the link in the description to grab a free training and check out our signature program, Yogi Flight School. Thanks for watching.